Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: PostgreSQL running and a database user with privileges. Once that exists, install scicop2 binary in the environment so Python can talk to Postgres. Next, export credentials into environment variables or a env file. This keeps secrets out of source. Make sure the server accepts TCP connections and the firewall allows your client port. Now that the groundwork is live, prepare a minimal connection string and open a Python REPL to test connectivity with one short script. Now you write the code to connect. Import scicop2 and create a connection using the connections string from your environment variables. Use a with block or try /finally so connections and cursors always close, and create a cursor to run SQL. Execute simple select one to verify handshake, then prepare parameterized queries using placeholders to avoid SQL injection. Once done, use commit for inserts or updates and rollback on exceptions. Make sure to set a reasonable connection timeout and pool if you plan. Finish by wrapping access in functions or a light data access layer and add connection pooling for efficiency. You should validate queries with test data and ensure transactions are atomic. Commit only after all steps succeed. If errors appear, catch operational error and authentication error and log details without exposing passwords. One key troubleshooting tip: if you cannot connect, check PGHBA. Conf and server listen addresses, then examine PostgreSQL logs for precise rejection reasons and adjust firewall or host binding as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.